Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your country and the language of the C&A application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the My Account button down below in the right side of the screen. Then tap on this settings button in the upper right corner and click on change country and language, which is the first button. First of all, select the country, tap on the relevant one, and then scroll down and select the language too. So if you are done, click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen to save these changes, and then the language of the application will be updated automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.